Hey guys, I am Kavan and today I am going to teach you how to play Sudoku. Sudoku is an ancient game which was originated in Japan by a man named Howard Gans. It is a very popular game worldwide. Sudoku is a 9 by 9 grid with 81 cells. A row is a horizontal line and a column is a vertical line. A block consists of 9 cells. A cell is a small square. A block consists of 3 rows and 3 columns. The basic rule of Sudoku says that there are numbers given from 1 to 9 and we have to arrange them in such a way that a number never repeats in a row, column or a block. Now let me show you how to solve this Sudoku. Let's start with the lowermost block. There are numbers 8 and 9 remaining. As 8 is already in the first column, it has blocked this space, so the only space left is this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the number 9 will complete this block. Now let's move block above it. The numbers 1, 5 and 9 are remaining. As 5 is already in the first and the third column, it has blocked these two spaces. So the only space left is the middlemost. Now the number 1 and 9 are missing. As 9 is already in the first column, it has blocked this space. So the only space left is the third column. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So number 1 will complete this block. Now in the first column, number 2 is remaining. In the second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number 9 is missing. Now in the topmost block, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the number 1 is missing. Now let's go in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. In the same block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. So 8 is remaining. Now let's go to the middlemost column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. So 6 will complete this column. Now the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9. Now in the same block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 7 will complete this block. Now in the fourth column, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 1 will complete it. Now let's go to the sixth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 5 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. So 7. Now in the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 4. Now let's go in the last column. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. So number 7 will complete this block. Now in the 8th column, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 4 is remaining. Now there is only one number which will complete the whole Sudoku, that is 3. So friends, this is how to solve this Sudoku. This is just an easy puzzle. There are 2 more formats, medium and hard. It can be played by any age group, either young, middle-aged or old. Giving just a few minutes to Sudoku can increase your mental power and improve mental concentration. Thank you for watching this video.